When Dylan met Tori, now you gotta remember, this was probably one of the wildest times that I'd known Dylan. So when he told me about this story about how Tori and him first met, 3 thoughts came to my mind. First, how the hell did he bag himself a girl like this? Am I right? Second thing, sounds like a match truly made in heaven. The last thing, this girl better know that she is in the ride of her life, dating this man.
I told Dylan I'll tell you the same thing. Remember every minute of today, because you will never forget it. I can still see Mom. I can. And she was just as beautiful as you are. Okay? Never forget it.
I will. I love you.
Mess your makeup up. I'm sorry.
It's okay. That's what Bailey's for.
Okay. Can you fix me? Can you fix me?
Tori and Dylan display balance in everything they do. They know how to give each other grace, but also how to hold each other accountable.
Tori, our life story, the sea in the sky begins a new chapter today. This is the chapter of our marriage and the happiest day of my life. I am beyond grateful that God has found me honorable and worthy of your love.
Dylan Thomas, from the first time I met you, I knew my life would never be the same. I knew that my finally saying yes to a date with you was the best choice I had made from the moment you walked me from my car to your apartment. We laughed within the first 30 seconds of our first date, letting me notice that gorgeous smile in person for the first time, and the smile that unknowingly at the time would become the best part of my everyday.
You have the most beautiful, kind, yet assertive soul that I absolutely admire about you. I will be forever grateful to your mother and father for how they have raised you and how they have opened my eyes to the love and relationship I see in us.
Love you. You got a very lucky husband. I love you.
I love you too.
You're stunning. Absolutely stunning. Get it from your mom.
I do get it from my mom.
I am so in love with your laugh, your touch, your smile, and passion for adventure. I love the beauty you see in sunrises, sunsets, and me.
You love me in big ways, like saying yes to moving to North Carolina together, despite the fact that we didn't know anybody there.
I cannot imagine being on this adventure of life without you. You are without doubt my soulmate.
Little things like the way you look at me when we wake up together after 4 nights away, or how you've taught me to love riding a bicycle, and how I can always count on you saying yes to a Chick-fil-A shake, and how no matter where we are, if we are together, it feels like home.
I promise to always be a soul full of adventure,
tenderness, positivity, and faith. To always kiss your forehead and hold you tight. To always be there for you. I promise to always respect, trust, and cherish you for the rest of my life. To always seek opportunity to grow together and to always keep our foundation in our faith. I'm so stoked to marry you. Love your husband, Dylan.
You, Dylan, are the type of home I never knew I needed. You are the beach home when I need somewhere to clear my head. You're the mountain home when I need an adventure. You're the laughter that makes our house in Little Maiden, North Carolina, feel like a mansion in the hills. You are home in the shape of two strong arms that wrap around me after a long day of work. You are the home that I always love to come back to. I love you endlessly, sweet boy. I'm so very proud and excited to be your wife. For the last time, Miss Tori Reichel. See you soon, Baba. You look so beautiful.
You look so handsome.
Just look at you. Is this spinny spin? Oh my gosh, I love it. Love you.
I love you too.
You look amazing.
Thank you, so do you.
Tight. Oh, I love it. Absolutely.
You changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you.
I promise to respect you and support you in whatever you feel called to do, even if it means one day we will need a bigger garage.
Promise to always reference our horizon and keep it in sight. For as long as we have a horizon, we will always keep a level flight.
I promise to choose you today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of our lives.
On our adventure of life, I vow to praise God, to be faithful and honest.
I promise to always remember that we are a team in every aspect of life, through both the wins and the losses.
To love and hold you, to trust and communicate, to be patient and kind.
I promise to continually pour love and effort into our marriage so that we can always find our home within each other.
And to never give up on us. I love you with all my soul, Victoria.
Lastly, I promise that I will absolutely always love you more.
God has joined together. Let no man put asunder. You may now kiss as husband and wife.
Of someone like you.
I cannot thank my father enough for moving us out to Tustin Lake, as I learned from Dylan what it really meant to open up the throttle and take life by the horns. I can truly say it was one of the best blessings in my life.
The biggest thing that I will forever be grateful to Dylan for. I have never seen Tori more herself than when she's standing next to you.
You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
So my gift to you, remember to always have food fights in the kitchen, sock wars in the living room, and belly flop in a puddle every once in a while. Love you both.